Good morning, guys. My name is Aida from Mike Sunday. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can build a portfolio website or a CV website. And let's take a look at the website we're going to build. So, without wasting much time, this is the website I'm going to show to you and how you can build. So just let's wait for it to do. Now, can you see this is the website? Can you see this is the website? You're going to see this is my name, about my name, stuff like that, what I do, and my image here, stuff like this. I'm going to walk you through how you can build this one-page website, and if you want to make your own, you can make your own a four-page website. Actually, this site is a four-page website, but I converted it to one-page website. So, guys, without wasting much of time, let me just take you through how you can build this type of nice-looking website. I make my name as a logo. So, guys, now this is our website. The website we'll be using. Can you see the website is empty now? Nothing is inside this website. So, this is the dashboard. The dashboard is empty now. So we're going to install the themes and the templates we'll be using for this website. So without wasting much time, let's go to appearance and let's click on themes. So when you click on themes, it's going to take us to where you can add new. So I'm going to click on add new. So when I click on add new, it's going to take me to where I can search for the themes I will be using. And so I'm going to type Astra here. A-S-T-R-A. Yeah, Astra. Astra is a popular theme that you can use to design your website for free of charge. And so you click on the over on this now, you're going to see activate. That means I've installed this theme earlier. But if you look at this one now, if you click on you see install. So it's telling you to install it now. In your own screen, in your own end, you'll be seeing install. So all you need to do is just to click on install. And when you install it, the next thing you need to do is to click on activate, which I'm doing now. So after that, now you wait for the team to activate. Immediately the team activated, it's going to pop up something. It's going to pop up a plugin for you to install, and that is the plugin. You call this starter template. This is the name. You call this starter template. You can install it from here, or you go to your plugin and you click on add new, and you search for starter template or search for abstract. It's going to show you the same thing also. So I'm going to click on it from here. I'm going to click on get started. So immediately I click on get started, it's going to activate the thing, it's install the thing for me, activate it for me, and it's going to redirect me to a place whereby I will be asked to choose the page builder I want to use with my website. So can you see now it's actually redirecting me. If you can notice on my screen, it's redirecting me to where I will be asked to choose. Okay, naturally it's going to redirect me to this place. It's going to ask me to start building my website. Can you see this is it now? So if you are using a mobile phone, make sure you put your phone in a desktop mode so that you can be able to see this kind of thing. So I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna say build my website now. So when I click on build my website now, it's gonna ask me what do I want to use to build my website. Yeah. We call it page builder, yeah. And we have several page builder, but the most common one is Elementor, and we call one what's it called? David page builder. So I'm gonna be using Elementor this morning. So I'm gonna click on Elementor, and immediately I click on Elementor, it's gonna show me a lot of templates. We have tons of templates, but because I want to build a portfolio website or a CV website, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna type portfolio. Portfolio. So immediately I type that, it's gonna load for me. Can you see? Can you see? It's gonna load template for me. And because we have a lot of templates, I'm gonna click on this guy. This is the template I want to use. I want to use this guy. I really love this. So I'm gonna click on it. So immediately I click on it, it's gonna ask me do I want to upload my image, my logo right now. I'm gonna say no, I'm not uploading logo now. So I'm gonna click on skip and continue. Can you see? If you have a logo which you can upload now, but I don't prefer you to do that now. I'm gonna click on skip and continue. So immediately I click on skip and continue, it's gonna ask me which color do I want. If I have a color preference, I can go along and pick anyone I like, but I'm going to go for the default one, and I'm going to scroll down. It's going to ask me, do I want to have any letter or font? And I'm going to go for the default. So I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to take me to this place. Just one last step. I'm going to click on no. I'm going to click on submit my website. So yes, can you see submit and build my website? So immediately I click on submit and build my website. In a few minutes, it's going to do all the stuff for me, install it for me. And yet, guy, I have a gift for you. At the end of this video, if you can stay with me to the end of this video, I have a gift for you. So please watch this video step by step so that you won't miss the gift I have for you. So let's continue. So let's wait for this to load. Can you see now our website has been built successfully? So all we need to do is just to come to this place and refresh. Control R. So I'm going to close this place. I don't want it again. I'm going to refresh this one and it's going to show me my website right away now. So it's loading my website out. So can you see the website now? Now all we need to do is to start building. And can you see it has so many pages? We have home, about, service, and support. If you need all the four, you can leave it like this because it's nice. So I'm going to edit this home page and you can edit the other page the way you like. In fact, it's easy to edit if you can just follow how I go through this one. But if you just want it like this, if you just want it like this, remember it's just only one home page. That means I'm going to teach you how to go about that also. So you don't need to worry yourself. All we need to do, all I do is I hide all these four. But so I hide all these four. So that is what I did there. So but without wasting more of time, let me click on edit. Let's start editing our site. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. I hope you see it. I click on edit with Elementor and I open it in the new tab and this is right away. So I'm going to wait for the Elementor to load so that I can show you how you can edit your website. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are really enjoying this video, please kindly love this video. Click on the like button, click on the comment section and comment something nice in the video. And at the same time, you can share it with your loved ones so that they can know more about this. And at the same time, before I edit, in case you are interested in learning web design, you can come to my playlist. I have a lot of courses for you that can help you to become a professional web designer. And this is my web design tutorial. I have a web design tutorial where I teach on web design. I have how to design a website to mobile phone. In case you don't know how you can build, you don't have a laptop and you want to learn how to build a website, you can see it on how to build a website to mobile phone. And I also have an SEO course. This is one of the courses that also give you money. Learning SEO is very, very important, seriously. So let's go back to our site. So I can just change this guy. If you want to edit a name, just click on it and it's going to open up here. Just type Adida for Michael. Just type your name here. If you look at this place, it's too big, right? So I'm going to reduce it to be able to contain in a one single line. So I'm going to click on typography, can you see? Click on this pencil icon, and I'm going to drag this a little bit, can you see? I'm going to drive to 60. I think 60 is the best. Yeah. Oh, 60. I'm going to reduce it here a little bit. Yeah, 60 is okay. I'm going to click here. You can just come here and type your skill. If you are a digital marketing, write it here. If you are a web designer, just type it web designer. And yes, I'm web developer. I think it's okay like that, and developer. So you can just come here, put in your Gmail here, just click here. Once you click here, it's going to open here and click on this link. Once you click on it, it's going to open a drop down to you. I'm going to put in my Gmail here. Let me just put in my Gmail, the leading training at gmail.com. So I'm going to copy the email because I'm going to be using it to link. Now, I want to do it in such a way that when people click on this email, it's going to take them to where they can send a mail to me. So to do that, I need to link it. I'm going to call it mail to mailto, and I'm going to put semicolon, or let me just say colon. I'm going to copy and paste my Gmail address. So immediately they click on this link now, can you see it has changed to link? Can you see that it has changed to link? Now, if you over this thing, you're going to see by your left hand side at the bottom, you're going to see that it's showing the link here now. Now I'm going to close it. I'm going to put my phone number here also. 090 35 2271. And I'm going to copy this phone number also so that I will link it in such a way that when people click on that phone number, it's going to take them to where they can call me, and that is TEL. I'm going to type TEL semicolon. I don't know, maybe semicolon or colon. I know it's just that two dots, yeah, and I'm going to paste my number at the front of it. So now this is a code whereby when you put these kind of things in your Elementor, it speak to the Elementor that anytime people click on this number, let it take them automatically to their phone book where they can call the number straight away. So what I'm going to do, I want to add my address because if you look at this site, my address is there, my store, and this is what I'm talking about. If you click on this now, it's going to show you that if you want to make a call, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to come here and do my address also. My address needs to be done. I'm going to duplicate this. Immediately I duplicate it, I'm going to change this one to my address. Just type your address here, number 56. NTC Road, okay, Ado Ibadan. Now, if you like, you can change this image because it's showing phone, images. I'm going to change this image to Let me just type. You can use address. Just type address here. You can use any of these, but I don't really like that address. I love using location. I'm going to use location. So this is the location. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on insert. So that is below this. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, save my work. Now the only thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to share. I want to change this picture. Now one of the things you need to know is that if you want to change picture, you need to first know the size of the images. So please, that one is very, very important. Know the size of the image. So I'm going to click on this image to know the size. Though I know the size, it is 670 by 670, but I want to show you how I get it. So I'm going to come to this image. Then I click on it, it opens the image here, right? So I'm going to come to this image and click on it. Then I click on this image, it's going to take me to this page. All I need to do is just come to my media library. So if I come to my media library, it's going to load out the image for me. Now, can you see this is the image 670 by 670. So let me just show you how to go about it. Just come to your canvas, and at the same time, if you want to learn how to unlock Canva Pro, I have a video on my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel and search for Canva Pro. I have a video. Just search for either you search here, you're going to see the video, or you search other online skill, or type Canva Pro, type Canva Pro deleting. You're going to see it on my YouTube channel, or chat me up on 09035 382271. I'm going to send the video to you. Now, when you come to Canva, just click on customize size, and I'm going to type 670 by 670. Don't forget, that is what we see here. That is what we see in this particular place. Can you see it here? So that is what we want to be using here. I'm going to click on create new design. So I think I'm creating this new design. I'm going to, it's going to create me the exact size for me. Immediately it's create the exact size for me. All I need to do is just to go to my canvas, do the design and upload, and that is just it. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. The first thing is I'm going to click on this element. I want to use element, and I'm going to drag one particular element like shape. Let's wait for it to load. So this is the reason choose, or you can pick this one or anyone. Just pick this, drag it here. Can you see? Immediately drag it now. Drag it to fill this place. Can you see? And change the color to black or to any color you want. But we are just trying to model after this. The color here is black, right? And that's the same thing I use in my own. So I'm just showing you. I change it to black, right? So you're gonna come to your upload also. Now, if you have an image, make sure your image is in PNG image. If you don't know how to get a PNG image, just go to this place. Your browser, type remove.bg. It's going to show you the image. So I have an image on my laptop initially. So I'm going to scroll down to my image on my laptop, one I have on my laptop. And this is this is the image, but I've removed the background, this, and I'm going to drag it to this place. I see, I'll just drag it, and I'm going to, come here, drag it. Yeah. And I'm going to come here and just click on share. And I'm going to click on download. And I'm going to let place and click on download. But already have this image on my browser, so I don't need to download it again, just like a wasting of time. So I'll just come to my Elementor and I will click on upload image. I have an image of it already. I can select file. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So it's going to take me to where I can pick the image, and I have it here. Can you see? I have it here. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on open. So immediately I click on open, it's going to load the image up for me. So immediately load the image up for me. This is it. I'm going to click on insert. It might look somehow big, don't be worried about that. Can you see? This is it. Don't be worried about it. So all you need to do is just scroll down. You can write something nice about you here. Just click on here and type about me, and here you can write something nice. If you want to change this to this, anything, you can change it, and you can change anything you want to change it to. You can say, okay, like this place saying 6 years, I started my web design career 2020, so let's just say 3 years. You can just scroll down and talk about yourself here. But one thing I love this template is that it has come with a nice write-up that suits a web designer that fits in for a portfolio stuff that you can use for your portfolio or a CV. So now you can change here. Here is talking about your skill, what I do. You can talk about what you do here. If you want to link this, now if I were you now, if you want to use all these all about service, portfolio, and contact, if you want to use them, that means you will link like this place now. Okay, like this place where you see read more. Now, when I say read more, now you can just click here and click on this button. You see that it's open here. Can you see there's a hashtag here? Just claim this place and put your about us here. Just type about. Immediately you type about, it's going to come up with about page here. Can you see about? And just click on the, sorry, for this grammar. About. So you don't look, just click on the about page. Now when I click on the about page, what I'm trying to say is that when anybody come to my site, this site, and they click on this button is going to take them to this site. But let me save it so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm saving it now. It's saved. So let me refresh here this site. When I refresh this site, now you're going to see all the changes we did. Can you see now? This is the site now. So can you see now? Immediately people scroll down and they click on this read more. It's going to take them to about us section. Can you see? We're in the about us section now. Now, but if I were you, if not like here now, I directed them to another place. If you click on this particular read more now, it's going to take you to my own personal website. And at the same time, you can direct them to your WhatsApp number. All you need to just do is just to put your WhatsApp number here, your WhatsApp link, which is you can get the link if I use this nice WhatsApp from your WhatsApp, or you can write this link. You can just change it to write wa.me/234 and your number 099035382271. So once you do it like this, once people click on that link, it's going to redirect them to your WhatsApp. So, but I'm not in for that today. So, but that is just how you can do that. That's how you can do that in case you don't want to use all the 4 pages. But if you want to use all the 4 pages, I will advise you to redirect them to your about us. So that is just how to go about it. So either way you want to do it is your choice. But let me leave it with this WhatsApp for now. So I'm going to come there again. What I do, I'm going to click on here. I'm not a UI UX design. I learn it, but I don't really know it. I don't really even put passion in it. So I'm going to call this one web design, yeah. And you can change this text here to web design. Just change it to web design. What else do you do? I do web development. I'm going to leave this. What do I have again? App development. I don't do that. I only convert website to mobile app. So I don't do app development. I can just talk about SEO. Yeah, SEO. I do search engine optimization. So I can talk about it and I can just say, okay, a mobile app. I can just write it and I can say I can help you to rank on Google front page within a few times. You know. And I'm going to link here now. What I do now here, if you click on this thing, it's just a link. It's just a button that will link to your what? It's an icon rather. But the purpose of this icon is to link. Is when people click on it, is to direct them to where they can see all the things you do. And don't forget, if you are using probably you want to use all these 4 sites, you can link them to here to your services. And let me show you how to do that. Just come to Elementor and click on it. Where you see link, just click this hashtag. Don't forget you need to click on this button. When you click on this button, it's going to open this for you and you will see a hashtag here. So you just type your service here. Just type service here because that is the name of the page. Just type service here and you wait for it to look, and you see it load the service page here and you click on it. So that means once they click on display, let me save it and let me show you what it means. Now let's come back to here and let's refresh. Okay, let me come back to the home rather. Now this is the home now. Now once anybody click on this link now, here can you see it's going to take them to my service page. Can you see now? It's take them to my service page. If you want to do it, this is where you talk about more about what you do. But you see, if you like it, it's fine, you can use it. And here now, my latest work, if I were you now, my latest work is to direct them to your portfolio, which is this particular place. So just type portfolio when you get to this section of, when you get to the editing section of this place. But I won't be doing that because of much time. I won't want this video to be long than what I planned for. So after that, if you have an image of yours, maybe where you're working, you can put it here. But if you don't have, change this guy's image because this image is a white image and I believe it might be black. So you are from black. So what you need to do is just to come here and change this image. Click on this 3-dotted line. This 3-dotted line, click on it. When you click on it, come to here and come to style. Can you see style? click on the style. So once you come to this style, this is the image. Just click on choose image. Now, if you like, you can, the image size is this. Can you see 1920 by 1008 pixels? You can come to canvas and customize the size. Wherever were you, I can actually use any image here. I can just change up to this guy image. So what I will do now is to set it in such a way that they will not know. So they will only be seeing the screen and click on insert. Now, when you look at this now, you see that you are seeing this white man and it's still normally okay for Africa. You can still use it, but what I can also do is that I can change it. I can come here and change it from center to I can try top center. Can you see now? When they are just seeing a little bit of the hand. Can you see? Can you see just only a little bit of the hand, and I think which is still okay. So I will just click on update like that. So people will not be able to see the hand. They won't be able to look at what I used there. And I think that's what I did here. Can you see? You scroll down here to this place. Can you see that is what you see? Okay, no. Here I use bottom. Yeah, let me change it to blend. You are still seeing a little bit of the hand here. Can you see? So I think I use bottom set bottom top. Okay, let me see bottom. No, I think it's bottom top. No. Okay. Sorry, let me stop center. Sorry, I think I use bottom. Okay, let me see. Top center. Center right. I use something. I use something. I use something. Top center. Top left. I still see the hand. No. Top right. Bottom center. No. Bottom left. No. Bottom right. What do I use? Okay. Let's go with top center. Yeah. But in my own, I know I used something. I couldn't remember what I used though. But I think it might probably this though. I think that is probably this. And I think it's still okay. So all I need to do now is just to come here. This is where we can see my skill. Yeah, all I need to do here is that in this way you talk about all your skill and how good you are in all these skills. So my focus here is I'm going to start from this JavaScript. I don't learn coding, I don't even know how to Java. So I'll just type web design. I'm going to increase this. It's 85%. I'm going to increase it to 90. Please, 90. This PHP, I don't know. I'm going to change it to what is it called? Web development. Let me just use web development for now. Development. So I don't know it. Let me just say it to 85. Let me change that to 85. So I'm going to change this one Python. Let's just say SEO. Yeah, SEO. I got grades. Let's say 90. I got grades. We are the one ranking as number one in Ibadan. We search for the best web design company in Ibadan. Now let's assume you only have skills key. So that's the three skill you have. Just click here. Just come to this particular pencil. Click on. Just right click and click on delete. I mean, that's the three skill you are. Now, like I said, we're talking about a portfolio website and a CV. Now, this is what you talk about your experience. Okay, where you have worked with, you can just come here and say, okay, you lead what? I didn't lead them UI UX. I lead them web design. I just say I lead web designer. Web designer, okay. And we can just talk about it here from which year. Just come here and click on this pencil. I'm going to show from which year, from 2020 to 2022, or you can just say if you are still in the company, you can just say to date. And which company is that? Come here and click on the company name. That is deleting web design company. Let's start deleting your own company. Deleting web design. Can you see limited? Now you can just do the same way for this same one. Way to just do the same. And in case maybe you only work in one company in your life, just click on this star. That means to delete. Now we want to delete this link. If you click on it, it deletes it automatically, but I'll click on Ctrl Z to bring it back because in case you want to use that. So that's just how to go about it. Now this is a portfolio. Now you can link this portfolio, just click this button and link it to your portfolio. If you come to this particular place, you will see, okay, this is a survey. You can see we have a portfolio here. Just come to this place and type portfolio. That is where you type your work. Once you click on this link, and it's going to show you this, you're going to just come here and click on this link. And you see this is the link. This hashtag, make sure you clean it and type portfolio. Portfolio. And when you type this, you're going to see the page. The page is going to pop up. Guys, this is the page. Just click on it. Link it up. And in case you don't want to use, you just want to make it. If you want to make it one page website like this, my own. If you want to make it one page website, make sure you redirect them to your WhatsApp. Please, it's very, very important. Make sure you direct them to your WhatsApp. And I've told you, if you want to redirect them to your WhatsApp, all you need to do is just to type, clean all the link and type wa/wa.me//1/ your phone number. But your phone number must start with 234 80 or 90 or stuff like that. So, and type your number there. That is how to go about that. So, and when I'm done here, I'm going to click on save changes and update order. That means I'm done with it. Now you can come and put the image of your work done. In case you don't have the image of what you have done, people when they come to your website, they want to see maybe you have did any work. You can leave this as a default. Pending the time you're gonna, and mind you, this is just an image gallery. Don't be carried away. So it doesn't have a link. So if you look at this, it's an image gallery. You can see image gallery, and that is how they did it. So that's just what you can do basically. So I'm gonna opt out of this. So that's just where you show in case your work. Now, in case you now come to this, maybe you come to, okay, I think I've saved it. I'm gonna come to this page. If you come to your portfolio now, no, okay, let me come to image, home rather. Home. Now, if I come to this home and maybe probably I click on that portfolio, where is it? I click on this link. It's going to take it to your portfolio page. Now, this here. Now, when you are doing your own here now, you can now begin to link the work here. You can link because this is normal image, not image gallery now, I guess. So that is just basically how to go about everything now. And I believe you know how to do all this. Since I've edited the whole page, you'll be able to edit all this way. In case you have issue with any of this page, you can reach out to me. I'm going to walk you through step by step on a video call on how to edit it, or probably you can just check my YouTube channel. I have a tons of video that talk to you on how I start a website from the beginning to the end, and I edit everything. Just check my YouTube channel, just check all this place. Tell a web design tutorial. You see all those courses there. They are there to make you a better web designer. I do all these videos because I want you to become a professional, not just a novice. I want you to become professional in this. So that is the purpose of my training. So I'm going to exit out of this. Okay, just close this and come to this place. And this. Now, if you notice something now, you will notice something that in this particular place, we have a footer section. Can you see this? This is the footer section. Now here it's showing you are based in New York, and I didn't base in New York. I want to change it. So all I need to do is just to click on customize. I will open it in a new tab. I click on customize. When I click on customize, it's going to load it out for me. Now, the first thing I want to do is that I will be showing you how you can edit your logo and your footer. But now, to edit your logo, if you are a graphic designer, that is good. You can design a logo, but make sure the logo is, I think the logo size of a logo is maybe 160 by 160, 150 by 150. I don't really know. I can't remember. So I will just click on this pencil icon. Can you see? This pencil icon. Now, this is where it's going to show you the logo. You can click on this logo if you want to change it. But to me, I won't use a logo. I prefer to use my name. If it is a brand name, I prefer to use my name. Who's calling me? I prefer to use my name. And if you look at this Elementor here, if you look at this my website here, I use my name here. So you are dividing a portfolio. Make sure you talk about your brand. Yeah, you are talking about your brand now. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to change this logo. I'm going to remove it. Why? Because I want to use my brand name. I want also remove this. If you have a logo, you can just click on change image and it's going to take you to where you can upload your own image. So, and I think this is the logo. So this is where you can, okay, this is, oh no, I'm not sure this is the logo. I think this is the logo. Like I see, the logo is 166 by 24 pixels. So you can just do the same thing like that. 166 by 24 pixels. Just come to your, don't forget your canvas, and just come to resize. If you're only those people who are using Canva Pro can do this thing. So, and I said if you need a Canva Pro, you can get it from me. I have a video on it and how to unlock Canva Pro for free of charge. So just click here and type 166 and come here and type 24 and click on. Just scroll down a little bit. Oh. It is not on this account. It is not on this account. It is not on this account. Okay, no problem. Just come here then. Just customize the size here. Just customize the size here 166 and just click here 24 and just click on, create a new design. Dimension must be list. Okay. Oh, 24. Oh, you can't use Canva to do that. I guess that's why you can't use Canva to do this size of the thing. Can you see dimension must be at least 40 pieces, no more than. So that is, the Canva does not accept that here. So you can just do your own. So basically my own, I don't like using, I won't use image. I want to use my name. So I'm gonna close this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this image and I will scroll down. Can you see display site title? Now what you need to do is that you must make sure you change your site title to your name. I'm going to show you how you can do that. But in this case I've done that for this. Can you see display site title? Can you see this is my site title here for my case? And I'm going to click on, what about on desktop? Okay, let me see. On mobile phone, what do you want to display? Can you see if you scroll up? If you scroll up, it's not showing anything because we have removed the logo. I will do the same thing. Okay, that no, I want it to show on the mobile phone also. Guys, my name has come up here. So let me show. Let this one will reflect in even. Can you see now on this tiny one now? I also want it to reflect here. Now, if it's reflecting on all the changes, I can change it to desktop to back, and I'll click on publish to change to effect my changes. So if you view this on mobile phone, on tablet, you see it there. On Android version, like mobile phone like this, you're also gonna see it here. But if you look at it on Android version, it's somehow big. All I will need to do is just to resize it a little bit. I can just resize it to like 200. Let me just type 200 and let me click on publish. It will refresh. So when I refresh, it's going to reflect. But now I want to talk about the footer section of this. Okay. Now let me just close this aspect. Okay. Let me scroll down because I want to do the footer section. Now this is a major way we want to do now. Just click on this button now. So all this one will be taken away. Now, the first thing I want to do here is that I want to change this, basically in New York. Just click on this pencil. Can you see this pencil icon? Click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to show you something here. All you need to do is just come here and click on New York, based in New York. I'll just come here and change it to, and I said, this guy is based in Ibadan. I'm based in Ibadan. Currently now I'm in Lagos, but I will just put that is where I'm ranking for Zoo, and that is why I stay. I'm going to write Ibadan here. Can you see now? Now, if you look at this particular place, this is just the. Can you see this? Get in touch. Can you see? If you notice that if you are putting your mouse on this, it's showing color, something from another color. Now, anytime you link a text, the text will be showing a different color. Anytime you link a text. Now, if you look at this now, can you see they are not showing any color? Okay, they are even showing a particular color, but we are yet to link. But they have linked it. But the only thing they put there is just hashtag. That means hashtag is a voice thing. It's not linking to anywhere. If you click on it, you still stay in this particular page. Now what I'm going to do is that if you look at this place, they have linked it, but the only thing they put there is Dutch hashtag. And this is the hashtag. And you see, this is the hashtag, href hashtag. Now, and the text is get in touch. Can you see? Now you can change it to anything you want to change just within this box from here to here. That's all you can type whatever thing you want to type here. And the link now is within this thing. Can you see the hashtag? Can you see? So I'm going to type, I'm going to change it to, if I want to change it to my WhatsApp number, I'm going to just type wa.me// my 2349035382271, which is my number. So I can change this text to chat us now or get in touch with us. It's still get in touch is still okay. Or probably you can change it to your, if you don't want to change it to your mobile, to your WhatsApp, you want to change it to a number whereby they can call. I want them to call you. You just put TEL colon 09035382271. Anyone, anyhow you want to do it. It's left to you. You are free. But make sure any link must be within this from here to here. The link, yeah. Hope you see it like that. So, and I'm gonna leave that. I'm done with this side now. I want to come and do this social. I'll come to this social. Now, first one, I have an Instagram account. I will just come here. Can you see hashtag? They have already put the hashtag here. That is why it's showing. Now, if I clean this hashtag like this, if I clean it and I over on this, okay, still even showing. But if I clean for the way I clean it and I save it and I publish it and I over and it will show that different color. Now what I need to do is that I will need to come to my, just go to your Instagram account, and I think I've done that with this place. Go to your Instagram account and copy your Instagram link. It's easy to copy. So I think I've copied it, so I've prepared for me to be logging in. So the first one is Facebook. Yeah, that's how I set my own. So I copy my Facebook link. So I'll just come here. Just come to my customize. So I'll change this one to from Instagram to okay. Let me close this now. This is a Facebook. Or let me change the name. I will change the name from Instagram to Facebook. So I'll just type Facebook. And I'll put the link here. I'll show you how to copy your link. So once I'm done, I will click on this icon. I will come here again. I'll change this one to Instagram. Let me see what is here in my own WhatsApp. Rather, yeah, my WhatsApp. I'll copy the link again. And don't forget, I told you the same thing. It's easy to do. You can do it. You can just go. I'll come here. I'll change this name to WhatsApp. WhatsApp, and I will change this name. I can just type wa.me/090 no 2349035382271, and I will click on this. I'll change this one to my my Instagram. Let me come here, copy my Instagram stuff. Just go to your Instagram account and copy your link. So that's that's it. I'm copying my own link like this. I'll just type Instagram, and I'll click this link, put in my own here. So I'll close it. If that's the only TV social media you have, you can just come here and delete this one. Just click on this drop down and scroll down. Just click down. Can you see? You can see remove. I remove it. And if you have other social media, you can add. If you have more than, if you want to add, you can just click on add item. Can you see? And you come to custom link, and you put the link here. You put the text here. Maybe here LinkedIn. I can just type LinkedIn. And I will come here to go and copy my LinkedIn stuff. I'm not even sure I'm using it. It's been a long time I use it. See, I'll just paste the link here, and I will click on add to menu. Can you see? You can see it here, and I'll click on publish. Now what I've done is that I've put all the stuff here. Now what about this? I'm not a web designer. I don't do web. I'm not a UI UX design. I'll just click here and click on this pencil. When I click on this pencil, it's going to show me my service, and I'm going to click on this drop down. Now, if you want to link it to a UI UX design, you must have done something. But I'm not linking anything, because if I want to do that, I will need to have come to this particular. Oh, I'm seeing I will show you what I mean. But I'm not linking anything together, so I'm going to click I'm going to remove this hashtag, and at the same time, I'm going to change this to web design, yeah, or web designer, anyhow. And I will click on, I will this the same thing here, click here, and leave it. And the same thing, Apple development. I'm not an Apple development, app development rather. So I'm going to delete this. And I needed to, I can easily change the name, but I want to show you how you can add item to it, also how you can add to it. I need to add I want to add my SEO to it, and I'm going to click on add item. I'm going to call here SEO, SEO, and I won't put anything here because I'm not linking them to anything. The only thing I can do is I can actually put my WhatsApp link here, so that when people are clicking on this to take them to my WhatsApp, or I can redirect them to this place, to here. You can actually redirect them to where they can see your work, or what they call this, your services. You can copy the service link. Let me just copy it in case you want to do that, and put it here. So when I click on that, it will be able to it will direct them to your service aspect, and I'll click on add to menu. So when I click on add to menu, can you see it here now? I'm going to click on publish. So everything is done now. Now all this one is to carry your site name, and like I said I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how you can fill this type. This automatically, if you want to edit it, this is it here. You can click on this pencil, but there's no need of you editing it. All you need to do is that you must make sure your site title is carrying your name. So that is what I did. So make sure it's carrying your name. So if it's carrying your name, all this thing is by default, so it will be carrying your name automatically here because the site title is already carrying your name. So can you see? It's carrying my name. It's carrying my name. So guys, let me show you how to go about that, how to change your site title that it will be carrying your name. So since we are done with this customization, we will exit out of this place, and let me come to this place and come to my dashboard. And this is where you talk about, because if you look at this place now, can you see when I click on this place, it's showing Adedapo Michael. Now when I click on there, now I click on here. When I click on here, it's showing Adedapo Michael, and you now said Adedapo Michael is an outstanding web designer, right? Okay, let me show you how you can do that here. I'm going to come to setting, come to general. Now, the number one thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to show this is the area for my site title. This is where you can type your name or what you want people to buy. I think the best is either you type your name or you type your brand. That's either of the two. Right? Since you are doing a portfolio website or a CV website, your name should be the best thing. Can you see now? It's showing just the WordPress website. If you look at here, you see just the WordPress website, right? So I'm going to change it. I did that for Mike here. Is an outstanding SEO expert. You can put in whatever thing you are doing. SEO expert. You can leave it like that, or you can say it's an SEO expert that have ranked for so many, that can help so many businesses to appear on Google front page. You can do that. SEO expert that have helped so many businesses. So many business. To rank on Google front page. And once you're done with that, just go down and click on Save Changes. And then you're done with that, just come to your permalink here. This is the next place to use to permalink. Permalink. I'm going to click on permalink, and I'm going to change it to this particular. Make sure you change it to post name. Post name is the best one for your SEO, and click on Save Changes. Now, if you want to do it like my own website, it is just only one page website that they are not seeing any other thing. Can you see they are not seeing anything? What you can do is just come to here and come to your main appearance and come to menu. Can you see menu? So once you come to menu, you just come to this your setting, all your link here, just click on them and remove them. Click here, remove, click here, remove, click here, remove, click here, remove, and click on save changes. Now when you click on save changes and you come to this particular place, come and refresh. Can you see? If you refresh like this, you won't see anything here again. Can you see? All those things have gone. So this is the only home page that people will be seeing. But you must make sure you redirect them to your WhatsApp or if you are to any of the pages. But I think if you are redirecting them to any of the pages, those pages must be live here then. If you are not redirecting them to any of the pages, you must make sure you redirect them to your WhatsApp. So let us mean you want to put them here, you want to put all those pages here. All you need to do is just come to your menu here again. Just come to all those pages you want to put. Can you see view all? Come to here and click on view all and click on home, about, contact, portfolio, and service. And click on add to menu. Immediately you click on add to menu, guys, all of them appear here. Now I will now need to rearrange them. Service come here, and I'll carry this portfolio to this place. If you leave it at slant like this, that means this portfolio is going to be under service. Let me show you what I mean. You refresh. Now we refresh. Can you see now? Service is having a drop down, and under the drop down we have a portfolio, which is not really nice. So I'm going to come to this place and arrange it to be not my hand, to be stand on its own. So I'm going to click on save changes. Then click on save changes. Now the saving has been done. So let me refresh. So guys, by now you should be able to know how you can build this website from A to Z. And now since you can know how I did this site, you can also do the same thing. You can also do the same thing, and I've shown you how to delete. If you don't want to, if you don't like anything, you can come here. Maybe you want to, let me see something that maybe you might not like that you want to delete. If you don't like anything, let me just show you how to go about it. Maybe you want to, okay, let me make use of this one as an example. If you don't like anything you want to delete, if you don't like all this section, you don't want to see all these things, it's something you can just click on this place and delete. Can you see this? Delete, and you will delete everything. But to me, I think it's okay. So I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to close out of here also. So this, by now, you see how you can build a nice looking website. Let me view your site. Can you see? You can see how you can build it, and I've shown you how to hide this thing. It's left to you. If you want to hide it, fine. If you don't want to hide it, you can leave it like that. So guys, I believe you love what you're seeing. That's just as simple as it is. So thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I really love you. Seriously, I love you, because without you I can't do anything. You are the major reason why without God I am nothing. So I can't do anything. But at the same time, you are the major reason why I'm still doing all this thing, because if you are not watching my video, well, why will I be doing it? But because I have people like you who are watching my videos, that is why I'm doing something relevant that can make you to become professional. So at the same time, if you love what you are seeing, you can click on the like button to like the video, or at the same time you can also comment. Let me hear your comment, let me hear your feedback, and if there's any other thing you think I need to do that I did not do, you can comment on the comment section. So next time I can adjust myself. And at the same time, if there's a new video or there's a new thing you want me to do, maybe you want me to do some new thing, you want me to create some new video tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section. Please, let's interact. I love you guys. I want the best for you. I am here on this YouTube channel just to make sure I give you the best. Yeah, that's my purpose. That is why I'm here. So, and anything that will make you to become professional, to become good and good and good, I will be glad to do that for you guys. So, guys, if you want something, if you want any video, just comment on the comment section. And like I said earlier, I promise I'm going to give you a gift. The gift is just chat me up. Firstly, if you need a mentorship, like I said, if you need a mentorship program that you need someone who can guide you, who can train you, that you can help you to develop yourself, you can DM me. I'll be doing that for you for free. And at the same time, chat me up. Also, I have a gift for you for watching my video to the end. So I'll be expecting your shouting. You can reach out to me on 09035382271. And at the same time, you can send a mail to me through my deleting training. This is mail. Yeah, thank God, this is my number. This is my this is my Gmail, this is my phone number. You can reach out to me in any of this, any of this medium. And you can call me. This is also my WhatsApp number. You can call me on it. You can also shut me up on it. I will be glad, to hear from you, to hear from my friend, my lovely people like you. So thank you very, very much. And at the same time, if you look at my YouTube channel currently now, let me just show you where we are seeing 875 subscriber, and one of our minimum targets is we are targeting 1K subscriber. I wish to do that probably before my birthday, which is coming up in August too, and I think today is the end of July. So my birthday is coming up on Tuesday, which is Tuesday, next tomorrow. Yeah. So I wish to hit that. So I'm trusting the Lord for that though, and I believe He's going to do that. So you can help me to share my YouTube subscriber, my YouTube channel with your friend. Let them subscribe to my YouTube channel so that they can also have access to all these valuable things where I'm teaching on my channel. I will be glad for that. If you do that, chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm gonna talk to you and give you some things also. So thank you very, very much for watching my YouTube video. I really appreciate that. I really love you for this. And I pray the Lord God Almighty is gonna be with you. And at the same time, in case you have not given your life to Christ, I must tell you this. It's very, very important for you. You need to give your life to Christ, because that is the reason why I'm still living. That's the reason why I'm still here to do all these things, because my life was useless before, but when I met with Christ, everything turned around. And I believe that everything can turn around for good for you if only you can come to Christ. And if you have given your life to Christ, I will encourage you to move closer to Him, because the closer you are to God, the closer you will, the more you will enjoy your relationship with God. There's a better thing God has for you. There's a good thing God has in stock for you. Please and please, I will advise you to give your life to Him and to move closer to Him so that you can enjoy Him. It is only in Christ we have joy. It is only in Christ we have happiness. It is only in Christ we have unlimited riches. So come on, guys. Come closer to Him. Move closer to Him. I'm persuading you to move closer to Him, because I know you can never regret from moving closer to Christ. And you can never regret from you giving your life to Christ. So, guys, please give your life to Christ and move closer to Him so that you can enjoy the plan of God for your life. And I pray God is going to be with you in every area, every area of your life. And whatsoever thing you might be trusting the Lord for, I pray that the Lord will grant it unto you in the name of Jesus Christ. Bye. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you.